Here's my step-by-step process on how I get my nails to last for 3 to 4 weeks. First, I start by filing my nails and taking off all the shine, and then I go in with the dehydrator. So I do all of my nails at the same time. So I make sure I put the dehydrator on each nail, and then I go in with my primer. By the time I get to that last nail, the first nail is usually dry, so that's why I do it that way. So once all of my nails have the primer on there, then I pick the perfect nail for each finger. So once each of the nails are picked, I go ahead and push back my cuticles and make sure I clean out the inside of my nails. And then the trick is going in with a base gel coat. So for this step, I do each nail one at a time. So I go in and I put a healthy amount of base gel on my nail, and then I get the press-on nail and apply it firmly, hold it down under the lamp, and then I let the lamp cure it for 90 seconds, and then I buff off the excess shine off the nails, and then I repeat that process for the rest of the nails, and they turn out perfectly every time, and they usually give me about 3 to 4 weeks of wear. And here's a little update. This is what my nails look like now after 2.5 weeks of wearing them.